Oye, me murió.
DJ Asigol on the mix.
people. Hello. How you all doing? How far? We are walking. How are you? We are walking. We are walking with no doy. Anyhow. Oh. Oh yes, you want Christmas fi don. Ọwọ́ ẹ̀gbẹ́ náà gbúpì àbẹ̀rí growth òbí mọ́tò máa ń gbẹ́. Ọwọ́ ọ̀gbẹ̀dì ẹsẹ̀ sírí ẹ̀zẹ̀ wọ́tọ̀ pass. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My humble self, my name is Gladys William, aka Original Bad Queen Celeste herself. Alpha. Yeah, Talo. If I hope you are here with your fake account, I don't watch you. People do tell me what is the shit you talk, and they tell me how you take flow, what you vomit, what you they leak, and how they be. I even get some even record some send for me. Say me you listening. I hear your shit. I hear your trashes. But when time I have a computer, I don't know the streets. I don't know the streets. I was doing more and more. I could be doing a $1 if you let's time away. Go and take care of yourself. You agree, you not agree. You must go and take care of yourself. Or you do me a quick 8 months. Ya minukun way to use 8 months to swallow tabi. Okay? Or ya minukun way. Ama way. Say they talk. I work with brain. I work with computer. I calculate with my head. You don't calculate it. Well, calculate it, but I'm not calculated. Are you calculative enough that you cannot even calculate yourself and may you look for where you for me you pick your trash up and become somebody again? Everyone error egbe. One meter. Then you hit a ma near my tama. Then one home my home. Then ek no atani my kataniko weta. Come I tell you. If I take you as a friend and I tell you anything, don't take it as a secret. I don't tell more than 5 people. As far as I feel tell you, I go tell another person. So that I go no say not be secrets. If na secret, I not go tell you, I not tell you. But as far as I don't feel tell you, I go tell the next person. You know they shake me. What do you want to talk? Megbe. Because why? I remember when my own they do me jigida. Now that your sister Monica, now be my stress holder with Lolo. If you are walking towards it to make yourself reasonable again. Monica, they make sure say they push me to make sure say I pick my trash, to make sure say I pick myself up, to make sure say I know what in my mate pass me, to make sure say I know say yes, a web day, to make sure say I know yes, and know my right to fight. They push me and they fight them. You know that's why and then they push me and go they do underground process. Anyone what they tell laugh me to that, go ask my social worker. Anyone what they tell laugh me to that, go ask my social worker. Anyone what they tell me to that, go ask my social worker. If they fire me, I go they ask Paola. I go put everything for that woman body. Somebody say like this, somebody say like this. Bella go say no, relax. It's not like that. Don't worry. If I see you, they say give me bomb, pa. I say no, go meet see what's in here. You go say no, Gladys, stop listening. Relax. You know that swam, you know that push it back here. I make sure say, we will not tie your target baby. Yes, how do I if you're going to tell me, or go to your take back baby kete. O di gunte wa megbe pore no te ya joko nu. But o sa de so po no na gbon o yi go oge na vun e ya oge na gbigun ma oge na situma oge na te oge na ziguma ogun na wore gbon na gun yen jo kin oja na ogun na ya tota E kon khote mwegbe no yagbe gege, ou do no gbe kandiye. E kon khote mwegbe no yagbe. Ogi degbo tona degbe degbe, wo oge bungbe tona ye waga ye ma. Watanai. Ezen wena ezene kuwe. Ezenele na finise kitaji ne pepeye nenenji. Nuna ya ti obaname matelele ezeni gbi won. But only te otumu obona. Ise kita mageme ke laladia. Otumu obona pa. Ise wi de mageme ke laladia. Otumu obona pe se pepeye go dero. We. Uwu na ya mwebok bogia me for ezi. Una ya mwebok ya ugia me meleselesi. Una ya mwebok beselesi. Ve for veze una agbe 3 days veze. Una ya ti e boni me. Me no bi okpele no enegbe. Omo na biese. Ejo mo no ege no me ya gbamo. Me na bugri adena unu we seri me he. Ivie. Ave gwele na masa ma seri o ma he ivie. Ave gwele na masa seri o ma he. Me na bugri adenu seri ona me seri o me he. Like seriously. E boge no wetie ni. Uwa Monica me record ni ya inya igo. I dare you and that you your sister. Is that better jegile? I hear you are not jegile, not 20. I dare the two of you to bring the record out. I what bet you what? Now I can hand in Monica, I know 50 kobo. A boy affair no tieni affair. A yes said baby. Was a little boy beside your way. Who walk by way beside your way. If you are not ready beside your way, and I'm not going beside your way. Who way I think beside your way. If my name Monica 50 cents there. If you I woman. Umane mwetinya tu mana akoka evio e record no pe ni send Monica ebele na we matata mame we na woni be defend we ze bo se ina la dan doro be di mofi doro be paro we ko dun zam le nuje aga ni be ya go ta ko ya ve bo mu gbegbe no ya ve bo vio e na be gbe ma ni ro bi aga ni aga guge ni me go ho go kin uyo ge gbogba gagbe aga gele me na ne Monica atuari no bi dopo le lo veti menegele mie Monica ina eno ewe la wo jeme la o mene mi ya wajere gwanera me if you ebono ma beti evo ekeni ma ke viewers ke commenters ebo ya fefe ni rite ya fe lo ba gbisejin ya e won pe wo ko gbisejin ya e oto ni ya fi wa nya gbisejin ya e igi ogwa ni ya je gbisejin ya e o imena yo wa ni 50 cents ma we ma me teme no can you go where ye mene or gwaloma no neme gwaloma gume no ne we mana ye mene etama wanu ya gwaleke na gba oge gbo we mana nobody's about treatment o nobody's about treatment. Now when you never get what you go treat, now you say you don't want to treat yourself. Nobody's about treatment. Now when you never get what you want treat, now they say you don't get what you don't, now nothing they worries you. If there's something is worrying you, or to me you know tell a what with document that you are alcoholic, or what with document that you are not mentally stable. There is something wrong with you. Go and fight it. Social media make me I read down for you. You have expect you are blocking me because what to block him lele ya here. Ni wa when we do me when we see me go. What you buff na me mona go na me send the go. You reported the picture on Facebook. And Facebook now is treating me for 3 days. That is the highest they will do to me. You know is treating me for 3 days. You know me take care. 3 days in my but na mo do total na morema na. Ogba agbara wa ne. Mo wa bere mo na na. You say why we block him when I can do that be blocking when my blocking ga yo wa. Even gbogwe. Ina when we so pekus. Go and fix up your mess. Seek for help. Facebook is not a psychiatric, a therapy, not neither a counseling clinic. I remember when I was totally depressed like you. Monica and Lola were my stress holder. They pushed me to the extent that I have to give my daughter to the Netherlands to take care of her for some time for me. We should know about it. To be able to fix up my mess up. Now you have no children with you, but you still choose to wallow in disgrace and shame. I don't hate you, neither I love you because you have nothing to offer stateless. I am only concerned as a human being. Continue to swear, even the swear you know that you are a liar. By the time you know what is, you better go and fix up your men before it's too late for you. Yes. Now when you swear now you the doesn't like arches. They send them on the Facebook. Screenshot say, what to screenshot them here like that? Kalekwa. Do you know where Kalekwa when they say let's go? Do you know where Kalo? Where? When me I treat a fuck up, me now we can go for a semi. If you when me I treat a fuck up, me now we can go for a semi. Oh, we are go now. Go. Oh, go. You go only scream. You shout. You shout. You sword. You juju with this life. Come go finish for supermarket. You boss egg. You boss egg. Those egg no one make children. If you go make children, they not carry a con. They not go carry a con for market for you. May you buy. You boss egg. Na empty egg the boss. Egg cock not quick. Talk mama lie. Fuck you. Go and fix up your mess. And now we continue. And now we view. You need a weather to help you wet your brain because you have a leakage brain. Yes. Now you have a leakage brain. There is a leakage in your brain. Because your brain, they leak shame and disgrace everywhere. 40 years with nothing to show up for it. The only thing you're supposed to be proud of is your children. You even abandon them for dick. Shame on you, Ivy. Stop lying so that people will know where to start helping you. You even Monica. I said it. I said even Monica, your sister, is confused and tired about you. But she won't say it not to hurt you. Because she won't say it not to help your sheep house. Mugu generation. Mugu generation. Ewa kema bi mugu generation. Owa komuni era wetu kon. Era wetu kon wa u do tie bo. O wari me ya reva e beri afa. Alisi ave mie. Ya me mekere vie. Ije be gba obi ya be samene wa re wa me ba ya wa ma bi wa pe me we. Do wari o give no me gu we mu e. Wọ́n sẹ́ me agu we mu arọpọlọpọ so that e born ya fe no ze ya fe e ya mekene ga kesun ahori en we e ya mekene ye kesun agbina nu e ya mekene ga kesun agbigun ma yo we e ya mekene ga kesun agbise yo we met it enu egberegbe keep on laying course obviously we to veye e Monica not we to verbo we to vevio you know or why you know how you know me know it. So I will not even, there is no need of me retaliating with you in court, but I will keep on pushing you. And the Monica knows me, I will keep on pushing you. I have my record if I make my record if only. At the record yet more. It's when you miss your ball. Wa when you miss Salak, one way with this Salak, or where my baker look. Even go away color, and you don't mean a boom. Ni akonsa lo ba wa to wa via wo wale ni me ni me avele no wa bust everywhere if you hear my matter bust down if me gbemele no anything where I don't tell you even if no matter how close you are to me if I don't feel open mouth tell you believe me I don't tell more than 5 people if I don't feel cross my mind there is the matter with you I don't confess to more than 10 people and when I mean there are no go we go e ka wo pa time it me ma be ne. Of course, because mama no ayare azere ma we say let's carry na my ene. That is how I live my life. I don't rely on nobody because I trust no goddamn person. Now we'd be my best friend, the bone of my friend. No only ya the reason with we say go tie go say dust me out, doesn't go say light me up, I'll light on. If you agba regbo. Ya agba regbo. Ya agba regbo, we are women at time fe you know. Where one will call be like we not be so. Where one will call be like when I prove everybody don't say that you are okay. That I may government to hear baby yako. That I may government to hear baby yako. That I may government to hear black one of the damn boy. All praise to the father of your children. I praise he's a responsible man, like you said. He's a responsible man who mistakenly go and jam a dog as a woman, who refused to retreat himself, to recruit himself by herself as a human. He's a responsible man. Even me be na no ho me ha ni mokpa. Obviously, one of the teacher setting asset. He's a great man. Also, you that we feel megie. Era mono enegbenu. Era mono regba no. Era mono ege na wo me ya gbo mo eno. Dera me so no, me mukia ni me bia me ha no. Awele government view aka na ya to ija ya to ezeya. Ye ko eri egbela de ma ta go no ya to momo. Era mono enegbe eno Also, now you are in with the bear. Oh, when you are paying your children, you are proud of it. Go better my way. You go to get men. Now can you them make up? Shut up. You go to regain because of Bobby Vienna. Small change where they bring the con. Now that better they buy makeup. Now they buy this kind of straight with them my hair. How far? All you do and you now that better they buy pad. You going to work suffer even months. Baby ni ya de pad. Now be extra change when your mother give it babe. Ya gbawe boy. You make me wa ya swear. Ya gbawe boy my girl. I not be your problem. Ebo atiese. Wa we la do tie bo na me boy afa egberi wo yere tem gbe ne ya ri oge magin agbera bo de oge gbagba ogun oge gbagba oge gbo serious seneti goze oba na meze sugu obi okonu gbele ya fe e ya so le bejo to gbele ya yi we go if you ko ya solo e kon ko nu gbele if you ko nu wa ya solo we go we ibere make ni ya ri oge magin agbera bo de awa be yo a wa te body je me do aso a be mega bon we te ni ji mo give egbi mi egbi me mai se come there a be me we ka lo 1 million yi mo we me if you go met sama we bon ogbon ye 1 million we me be fi adere ono we me be onze e bon mo ma gbo to evie aye 1 million ya wo aye baba wo ni me go we nya because imoni yo boy yen o fe gege gbo but opa me va no ya gba ogbo you be a pampered your boy is your witness no we have be you no we have be ta you okay mommy boy is my witness. I was pampered before no guys I pa dudu aho eta eze po be gbuwe eze po be gbuwe tiko eze po be gbuwe wi eze po one fix up your mess, put it on me. But if when you start lying, I will not have mercy to insult you, to bring you like this. Wa tell mata no waruwa mata ni no wa view yo megbe iye wa aga born wetin no ro any di megbe because I remember when I say lolo husband abriba. I remember when I they call Monica husband. I remember when I if you they call me different name any egbe megbe mama wo go na gie and we do after you we ni na that one be the thing we be say they vex me for the matter. Now that one be the thing where they vex me for your matter. Why? Just try. Accept your shit. Accept it the way it be. Oh, egbe wana so egbe. Thank God, say if you want to talk anything about Sele, na my matter where I tell you about me, where I tell you is live ya bu all day. Outa, umega we say let's don't you some medem mane, say let's don't you no pa mane, say let's don't you no kai mane. Me we magba ni nyoma de nyegbe we nyegbe be magba na. Imani nyoma be ma we de. I will bring myself every time when I'm talking to you. I always bring myself. Say, if you say it be. Maybe le manane. I'm not consigned. I'm not moving. I'm not going to be me say I be bad person. I'm not going to me say no. I'm not going to be me say we maybe I'm error me. Yeah, when you ma vegba adaze. Then what? Maybe the fee says less. You are a mad person. Oh, walk back because I never rely on anybody that come close to me. I will be free with everybody. When you know me, you don't know me. Once you don't follow me, talk for fun. What are the plan tomorrow? I'll tell you. What I do today, I go confess. I go tell you, if I dey shit out, they say I dey shit, that they be true, now they answer you. If I dey smoke it, boy, go hear my letter, go they make my and you go hear I know they hide that for anybody. Who they feed me? Who they calling me? Who they ginger me? Nobody greater. I salute your government, my personal person. For those I not sabi, but I greet you. I always here. Nobody will be so come dey fumble for. Who I want fumble for? For who? Who I want cast style for? Who? I don't see that person I want cast style for. What you want to try impress people for media? Media care. Media where everybody they kiss inside has they fight. Media. You dey blessed out that they laugh. Na so it be. When that one they kiss you, not be see Facebook. Not be say house. Who you want impress? Where everybody in your day body? Who? They not get for nana. Who clear? Who clear? Who perfect? Make sure up. Monica, your sister. I want to they never boost. Why a little misunderstanding? Why they don't tell me? Because you know, say you are unable. You be tools. You are just a tools to your sister. You are a tools to her. To use you whenever she wants to use you. Yes. Yes, you are a tools. She will never bother to open up to you because what got more way. What got more way? Who the way I turn what on a man, or turn what on a nine? It's a man way. Who come up with a man way? You agree, no agree, I'll tell you. And you will not do anything. Your cross my ashes at the doorstep whenever I'm holy. One sleep. Say Morocco. A social worker in Gouven, or your mommy this year. And I wasn't less to say Morocco, what's your wet board, your one. And I'm a coffee shop, man. Alegalize wa se wana mwe menu nu wa hwe menu umi white widow Amazia Ace Burberry California Red California Silver Haze Miss Okpo Missy hezi grade by grade I'm a menu no I get follow I need this one anyway we say. Because not be crying for me, not be crying for anybody. It's just my habit. And they see and say, I am capable of using it. If you take an appointment with him, my head go dey okay. You see that the one I follow that guy goes, I don't know watch me for that live video. I don't smoke, I quickly go they put perfume for body. But our conversation go where we there, when we go to school, we come back every week, we're good. Or even as in school. Or even as in school. They will not say because let's they do this one, say that what happen, I miss that time. If I want to stop, not be by force. But know how to use them. Don't abuse whatever substance you are using. Whether na alcohol, whether na Marlboro, whether na Igbo, whether na whatever, whether na cocaine or whatever. Whatever substance you are using, don't abuse it. So that you know, can't turn to small picking where they can't tell where to shit and where to piss and where to shit and what to do. Just as you did like this now. You have abused alcohol. To the extent it's not written in your own document. Yes. To the extent you can't even dishonor you from the mother's rights. Who you are telling? They know say even if I do saga I cry today tomorrow not me say me I not do what I want to do. La regumeta ma we. Ime de play we la we bo so we play on lare. Egbe me mi oja mi no we egbe me kese bo na. Eni we me ma ume la le me ya la we bo. For that si police egbe me na me and my body don't feel if I dey respect you at all, so you don't look and say I rely on you, I don't sit at the next person. Me, I dey ask for solution, different corner. Why be ujo bometo go na with me? Imadora we. No more you no. Do na we aka me de gbe ya so bu ere o, ere ri go ni ya ore ri go ni. U mo na ri me. De tu we u we me be gbo e bai. So, me wa be unema. I still do for people. Somebody must come. One day, your neighbor must come to ask you for one thing. That will make you also know, say, people can also run to you. One day, your neighbor will come so come be will like worry a minute. I bet man pray somebody will know what that they use time they do. Have you heard of Yoski Bay Palace? Now another YouTube. Now another YouTube channel will be say all kind of food recipes, the food there. If they do catering service, food stuff, if you be bachelor, not let you their house. You know what made they cook. You know somebody will want to cook a goosey, baga soup, ogbolo soup, bitter leaf soup, all kind of food. Carry and come meet you for us. Send them and come give you, come deliver them for you for Deutschland, for Germany. As yeah, depends on how far you are. You go do one for you in affordable price. For catering service, she's the best. Not just African food though. All kind of food, whether na Arab or Yiddish or Thai food or just name it. She's equal to the task. So go and watch her YouTube channel, Yoski Bay Palace. Yoski Bay Palace. Let me write it here so that me not be like say I speak Japanese, because I'll be running out to put on my uniform. I need to go to work. So Yoski Bay Palace. Yo. Yeah. So let me pin. That's the name. For all kind of food you need for your birthday, for marriage, for small dinner. Yeah, just kind of fast food. Just call, say, babe, mama, see, I need this food so day like this. So if you deliver her, as far as I Germany you day, not too day far from her, she's good to go. Coco Zarina, when me I know they had my own, no. You just impose me, my dash you the link. My dash will deliver very, 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 very affordable. Here was a Facebook with banner. They go even put price reach 500 euro, 300 euro. Just inbox me later, man. My dash with the link. You don't understand. So when I say big. So go subscribe to Yoski Bay Palace for all kind of food recipes you want to know. She's equal to the task for kebab, for steak meat, European food, African food, English food, Thai food, all kind of food. She's good in it. She's good in it. Just go learn, subscribe to the channel. You go like her. All right, guys. Where's my uniform? I better come on. I don't show. So I gotta go. Yes, so go subscribe and learn and come and thank me later. Now I'm going to make a video when I see a ball. See, my name Yahoo. Because I boy, I feel no tea, I tell me boku, organ matter, or good to one with Benoya Bukore. Because he can't me what I walk by me with this book. I have female for the Testament Joshua. But or take day, okay, Magda make a lap, but okay, no le bonny can boom. obungbe because mo video Monica not me we yan wo wa force e wakara opo no force wakara be we pampers ogba I say na adult pampers wa force e wakara also po no na ti adult pampers no mu gba so that nefa na make na fa na do ya o ahio sisu we gwa ayo we to force e wakara ga mega no o gbe pampers sisu give lawo he sisu we ya kan lawo we gba the pampers mu ne so where is the Nigeria agba my sister her phone number her phone number just go subscribe to our channel comment just comment for any of our videos say mama bed drop your phone number she fit drop am for there for any services so she will fit give you a number so she did permit me she did tell me to she dey wash now but she did not permit me to drop her number here but if she dey wash here now I believe she will drop the number herself or go subscribe to the channel just comment for any of our videos say mama your phone number I believe she will drop am for you you don't understand for me I wan go work like this you want to go I was say baba go who her oh we no celebrity you areva o me superstar no Eurostar agbọpai ya gbale ya gba ogbo do be ro we ni ata no kiyan no go phone ya we ni ata kiyan ladian iyan ge so aje gbe you know o wa mo we ni bo aje gbe ni ya fa gbiyan wa maybe the fi say ni ya ho na me eva mai ho wa fa gbo wa aya me ko ale kan because ma na me na when if wa me ne se lesi o me wa me ne se lesi tamane oya me ko lehian na ko lehian no we vale nene sisi wa be fa gbo ija atasin ela makemi na kemi mama no me negbe opo we ya fa gbo wa social media now so what if we fa gbo wa everywhere good. So, yeah, Africa, you know. If you're woman, ma, who can understand? I woman, ma, sir. Then I'm out keke, ya fino. Then I carry this bag because. Can you feel just 3 minutes ride? Alright. All right. See you later, honey. Oh, my lighter. Damn. Do you see my lighter, please? Really? Like no? Oh, fuck. What ready my lighter for you? What do you letter me? What do you letter me ni yaribo?
Can I get better food?
It's what? Okay, I found one here.
You put the cover on the bottle there. And
Only that one was there since I'm about to leave now. I will not start doing this now. Call her. She will fix it up, okay?
oh, the cover lies on the floor as usual.
Yeah, if you call her, she will fix it. I need to go. Well, you can't get it here. See you guys. Mary Winaneme. Why agree? See you guys when I'm back.